Got a view of a
I said, I'm
pool.
going to go down and get some snacks.
That's closed.
Yes. For tonight.
No
Right.
refrigerators.
Babe, goodbye. I'm going down and get
Hi.
Goodbye. What are you looking for?
What? I'm just like taking a video of the hotel. It's a nice hotel.
Get some stuff out.
Oh, there it is.
What?
I'm looking for if they had a refrigerator. Oh, it's right in here. I didn't see what a refrigerator was. This is nice. This is nice. Good.
Yes, the Marriott.
Good job, Marriott.
What?
Good job, Marriott.
What?
The Marriott, they got a job.
Yes.
Kansas, it wasn't so good, the Marriott.
Yeah, over here it's good.
This is nice. Do you get these or no?
What?
Because it says $5 of water, but are you a member or those are free?
No, I think you get big.
Okay, because I know like the Hiltons, you remember. This is nice. This is the Courtyard by Marriott.